Hi, we just arrived here at Downsview Park. We will be going to flea market, Downsview Park Market, Merchants Market, where we can buy very cheap vegetables, fruits, mga bahay, mga decors and everything. Dito po sa flea market po natin. Dito, anong dito?
Come eat.
Ba?
I thought
Pregnancy test.
I thought ito tawag ato? Anong tawag?
Thermometer.
Thermometer. I thought thermometer pregnancy test pala.
Daming mga supplements ba yan? Sana? Yeah. Omega, digestive care, dami. Ben, skip ka. Diba? Ben siya daw.
Kaning God bless our home.
Kana, top i-ask. Wow. No, double deck oh. See daw. Double deck. Ha?
299.
Where? Now here's kitchen.